Okay, so welcome again. We talk about integers and we are going to look at addition of integers. Now that we have seen what are integers, okay, integers, we say there are negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. When we say numbers here, we regard counting numbers. So negative of counting numbers, we can start as down as from -3, -2, -1 is now, and then 0, and then counting numbers themselves, 1, 2. Okay, this is supposed to be 2, 3, etc. So these are what we mean by integers. We call them integers. Okay, or these are what we mean by integers. Right, now we talk about addition of these numbers. All right, so it is like uh, uh, doing 2 plus 3. These are integers. All right, simple, isn't it? 2 plus 3, -5 plus 2. All right, uh, -1, take away 3. Okay, -2, take away another -3. So you see, this, you have to be very careful about it, about the signs, because this is the action, take away, and this is the integer here. Okay, so this is the action, take away, and then this is the integer, -3. But this, so these are things we talk about. We talk about this. This is addition, but here, oh, there is subtraction as well. Okay, so we are going to talk about these two here. Okay, we should separate them here. We'll talk about the top two as addition. This refers to addition. Number one here, this is addition, and this is subtraction. So I don't want to mix you, but I want to take you step by step. That's why I separated them here. So this is addition. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. Okay. 2 plus 3. We know what it is. This is directly 5. What about -5 plus 2? -5 plus 2. You have to give away 5, but somebody is giving you 2. Okay, so what are you going to have? If you have to give away 5 and somebody is giving you 2, let me write this. Let me use bars so that we can see here. I will use the red color to present the giveaway. So giveaway 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, giveaway. And I will represent these, the tools which are coming in by green coming in, and you have to get 2, 1, 2, get going in. Don't worry, because they're coming to your account. So you have these 2 and you have this 5 are going away. So these are negative and these are positive. So what are you going to have? It means that you have 2 now. Now you have 2. They are in your pocket. You have to give away 5. So because you cannot give what you don't have, you are going to give away these 2. So you will give away the 2, and the things are over here. They are no longer there. Then you remain with these 3. You have to find somewhere to give out 3. So the whole thing here becomes, okay, the whole thing becomes that this is going to be, you still have to give away 3. So it is -3. So the answer here is -3. So you have to find somewhere these 3. So you have given away what you got. You got 2, you gave them away. You now have to again give to somebody will need 3 from you. So this is it. Now I want to go ahead and present these things on a number line. All right, a number line, addition on a number line, addition on a number line. Now we are going to take the same questions, 2 plus 3 on a number line. So I'm going to draw my number line, and this is the number line. Okay, so according to this nature of question, I'm not going to have any negative, so I don't need negative numbers because I have positive, no negative integer here. So we have positive, so I'm going to present it much more in positive direction. So I'll start from here. This is my 0 and this is -1, just to show that this is the negative side. And here I'm going to have 1, this is my 2, this is my 3, this is my 4, this is my 5, and this is my 6. It continues on both direction, to the negative, to the positive direction and the negative direction. So this is a 0. And suppose I write this 0 by using a different color. Oh, it is not that much necessary anyway. So the thing here is 2 then plus 3. So I start my journey from here. Okay, I go 2 steps where? To the positive direction, because this 2 is positive. So I go positively 2 steps from here. So this is my starting point, and my 2 steps are going to end there. So I have to draw a line to show that I have went 2 steps. So this is what I mean by 2. And then I have to go 3 more steps. Now these 3 more steps adds to where I ended. They don't start again. They add to where I ended. I ended at 2. I got to go 3 more steps. So I went 2 steps forward from here. I went 1 and 2 there. So it needs me to go 3 more steps. So as from here, I have to go another 3 steps. So it is 1, 2. Oh, let me use a different color so that you can understand. So it is another 2 steps. So it is 1, 2, 3. I'm going to end there. So it means that my journey will end here. So if it ends there, I got to join this. That's where it ends. Now, what is the total distance? This is the total distance now, and this is my 3. So this is the total distance to this point here. Total distance, and this is equal to 5. This is what gives me 2 plus 3 equals to 5. 2 plus 3, it gives me 5. So this is addition on a number line. Can use these, or we can use these bars, these lines, to show that we have traveled from 0 to 2, and then we have added 3 from where we ended, and then to give it lands us on 5. So that is 2 plus 3. Now you see we have the same answer here. We have the same answer. Yeah. So this is what we mean by using number line in addition. And it is easy when everything is positive. But let us see when things are mixing integers, have positive and negative. Okay, so we draw a number line as usual. We draw a number line. This is our number line. And from here, we look the nature of this. We have negative this time. We have negative, so we have to show them, and we have to put it here, for example, here. So I'm going to put my 0 here. So this is a -1, -2, -3, -5, -6. So I have -6, -5, -4. Come on, it is not. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and 5, -6 is going to be there. And this is +1, +2, etc. Let us see what happens. This we have -5 plus 2, -5 plus 2. So it means from 0 we travel, from 0 we travel 5 steps towards the left. That's where -5 is. So we travel to this point here. Okay, so you're going to show this on a number line. You're going to show this. I'm going to use red. I'm going to use red because that is negative. So I would like to use red. So this is -5. Okay, -5. When does this look like -5? I want to see it clear like that. -5. So -5. I traveled from 0 to -5. This is where I started and this is where I ended. Mind you that things join where they ended. If you look at this, we started at 0 to 2 and then we continued from 2 to 5 because we added 3 steps. Now here, we started from 0 to -5. So from here, we are going to join our journey. We are going to continue as from here. I say +2. Plus means go forward. All right. So I'm going forward as from here. Okay. So because I'm going forward, I will use a different color, and I will show you how I go forward. I'll use a different color. Let me use green, because so I will go forward 2 steps. Okay, I'm moving forward 2 steps. So 2 steps will land me on -3 here. These are 2 steps here. So these are 2 steps. I'm going to show them here. I'm going to land on this point here, -3. So I go 2 steps this way. So this is +2. This was -5. Now you see it is as if it decreases my -5 to -3. So what I get here is that from here, this is my result now. From where I ended back to 0. Okay, from where I ended back to 0. That's what I get. And this is my result now. This is what I get. Okay, now it is the result from where I ended. I ended here. So if I ended here, I say now this is my result, and I give it -5 plus 2. I count how many steps. 1, 2, 3. So this is what I got. I got 3. So this is negative because I have to start from 0 backward to where I ended. So it gives me -3. Okay, so it started as from here 0, 1, 2, 3 in the negative direction. So it is -3. I get -3. So -3 is our final. Is our final destination. So see, we started from 0 to -5, and then we added 2 from here to here. Yeah, that's what I showed you here to here. So our journey ends here. Now from it ends to the origin, as we did here. From it ended here. From 0 to where it ended. How many we counted? We had 5, and here we count from 0 because we count backward. We have -3. So this is what we do with number lines. This is what we do with number lines. I hope you understand. If you don't, you go through once again. Yeah, that's our goal, to understand. Go through once again. Go through once again. And if you don't now, if you don't, ask your friend, ask your teacher. If you don't, I'm here. I'm here, I promise. And this is my number, 754-743-982, or through my email. Okay. At gmail.com. Anytime, 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 please. Let us share. If you're a teacher, also, we can share. We can exchange ideas about these things. All right? Yeah. Let us communicate. That is a very, very, very powerful tool in learning. We communicate. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and let us be in touch.